The reason why we make the movements so small and so slow in the Feldenkrais lessons is to zoom in your focus and attention on the details of action. Each one of us moves differently. See the student here. She's tilting her knee in, and watch the distribution of movement through her spine. Can you see the connection between this movement and her head? Please notice how she takes care of her own comfort by stopping and resting. Watch how the knee pulls the pelvis, the spine, rib cage, the head, and even her arm. Join us in a meaningful study how to move and feel truly better.